Yes, hi guys, welcome and welcome back to this amazing channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending from where you're watching this video from. My name is Irene. Guys, in case you are coming across this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and also sharing the video, guys. So today is another very special day, and I am very far away from home. I'm coming live and clear from Tanzania, Arusha, inside the Hadzabe Tribe. Is it Hadzabe or Hadzabe? Hadzabe, right? Yes, and today is a super special day, and yes, I'm going to give you a tour of inside the Hadzabe community. Like, I'm going to show you the houses, some of the activities that they do, and right here we are from the river. Yes, they went to show me where the villages they collect water from, and yeah, I'm going to show you, maybe to take you for a tour of their homestead, like where they live, where they sleep, some of the activities that they do, and everything, guys. So please consider subscribing to the channel, and also, guys, please like this video, and hey, please share, keep sharing, guys. So this is the kitchen. I mean the kitchen, yeah. They've been cooking from here, and yeah, those are the men. Those are the what is it called? The weapons for hunting, yeah. You know. And this is burning there are different styles right here, different these ones, I guess they're for hunting, you know, these ones. And also all of these, they're for hunting. And I guess I've seen some people from outside the country. Yeah, I've seen the white people here. They have come here. Maybe they're trying also to sell. These people are so grateful, guys. These ones, I think they do sell this. Yeah, very nice. And they create, they do what they create, like they make by themselves, yeah. And also this one. Okay. My camera is going off. And this one, you see? And also this one. And this one. There is a fish right here. This one also. And also this one. It's a giraffe. Yeah, these ones, I guess they're for selling, guys. Yeah. And I will also have this. Oh, very nice, guys. Super nice. See? This ones are for the swords. I guess this one is for the one animal that they killed or they roasted, and they decided to put the leg here. And also this one. Yes. So this is what they, I guess these ones are for selling. The shells right here. They're so grateful, guys. Yeah, very grateful. Like they've set this. This is a separate room from that side, and we have this. Oh, sorry guys, they're falling down. I'm sorry. It's all these guys. We have the swords. This one. Very sharp. This one's the ones that they use for hunting. Yeah. And it is very sharp. Can you see? Very sharp. Very, very sharp. Oh. Super sharp, guys. Let me see what's the time. Okay, it's 11.
Dinkia ko dati.
Yes, that is it, guys. And yeah, I enjoyed the rhythm. You know, they have their own way of dancing, and they're like togetherness. That's what I can say. And right here, this is their houses. Yes. So guys, we're on the tour. Popote pale nyumba kama yes. We're on the tour, and we are going inside one of the houses, and we see how it looks like, you know. Yes. These people, hey, they're very happy, very, very, very happy, and I love the fact that it's so welcoming, you know. Oh. Think.
atinangwele kulo sasa tsi kayimbo no icikwa yakwa bona dashina ase amabala la shosho aya tsi ono akana bekwa iya tsi enokwa aya tsi ukwa chete kwa ta aqoshona kwebe ngathi tsi aya shoya aya tsi shoya ya kuwa samisho ohe kwa samisho kuwa wela pita kwa za takata ita za ukwaqeta aya le tsi aya mai athola le tsi aya.
Yeah, so I think, guys, they're trying to explain how they sleep. Yeah, like when it rains, I don't hear well. Okay. Yes, so guys, this is their homestead. I don't think if there's someone here, but we have come from that house, and I'm really loving the fact that these people are so welcoming, they're so loving, like they're so happy. Yeah, they share the meal together, and yeah, I'm grateful, you know that. Yeah, so hey, I'm telling you, these people, they live a very unique lifestyle. Yeah, inside the forest, guys. Imagine, and they survive, and they're so happy. Yeah, these people, they usually survive by hunting the wild animals. Like today, we've gone for hunting, and we got like one bird. They came and they roasted that one over there. Yes. Yeah. And the dogs, they're sleeping on the other side over there. Yeah. So we go now. These houses, they're very different from the ones that, because here, from the ones that were in Turkana. Here, you know, you see, they use these ones. But for Turkana and Maasai, they use the glass. And then they bring, and if it rains too much, definitely the water will enter here. Yeah, you see? Can you even see that? Yes, so guys, maybe we are hope. I've been doing videos here since it was around 9 or 8, something like that. This is inside the beautiful tribe of Hadzabe. Hadzabe or Hadzabe? Hadzabe. Oh, okay. Yeah, Hadzabe Tribe. And it is raining, guys. Raining. So we are hoping for the best, guys. Yeah, so let me just let us walk to the other side, then we will end the video. My camera is going off. It's how many? 7%, you know. I'm thinking a new language, you know. Yeah, they're going. We have the tour safaris here for the visitors who came to this side. Yeah, so coming here, guys, you need to have the tour guide and you need to pay. And the price is a little bit high because I don't know, but you need to have a tour guide. Like, you need to find someone who is familiar with let's say with these people, because if you come here with someone who is not familiar, that's what I'm being told, they might not agree to do a video with you, or they might be like very harsh to you. Yeah, so but if they see someone who is familiar with the place, who they are familiar with, it will be easy for you guys to do a video from this side. But that's how the Hadzabe lives. You know, I've been seeing this and I thought like it looks like a movie. It looks like a movie. They eat all different types of animals. It's only that today we went for hunting that we couldn't find the big hunt, but they've eaten. I've seen how they talk. The ladies are they're so welcoming. Yes, they love people and they're naturally happy. Yes, so from here I'm going direct to where I stay, and then maybe yesterday I was so tired I couldn't even do the tour of the room where I'm staying, but today I'm going to do that. Yeah, so the tour guide, I don't know. Anyway, let me not say that on the camera, but we're gonna discuss and come up with a solution, because I needed to do videos for 1 week, but now the price, you need to pay the tour guide, you need to pay the transport. Yes, that is how it goes, guys. And when you come inside here, that tour guide needs maybe to give those people something small. Yeah, even me, the ladies who welcomed me, I've given them something small. They were like, thank you, and that makes me happy, you know. Yes, so I'm grateful and happy. We are finally in Tanzania. This is the baobab tree right here. Yes, this is the baobab tree over here, you know. Yes, so that is don't wind there. Yeah. Iko sawa, iko sawa. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for the wonderful support. It has been a long day, but very successful one. We've managed to go around this place. People here, they're so welcoming, they're so happy, always happy, guys. Yeah, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video from the start up to the end. Now we are heading home. So thank you so much for the support. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.